welcome to day 4 of the 30-day yoga and Pilates challenge. Today we're doing Pilates for outer thighs. We're gonna start on our sides, extend your legs, straight legs, support yourself with your hands, starting with passe. Lift the leg up, bend and press. Lift, bend, press. Lift, bend, press. We're going to be doing 10 to 20 reps of each exercise. Just keep going, keep breathing, stay focused. It's only 15 minutes. Actually, it's less than 15 minutes. Let's go. Passe. Leg lift, knee bend, press. Leg lift, knee bend, press. And now we're going to reverse the move. It's bend, lift, down. Bend, lift, down. Bend, extend, and press down. Bend, extend, press down. This is the reverse passe. And now we're doing passe clams. Keep the top leg bended at the knee and just lower the knee down and lift up. Lower and lift. Lower and lift. And now my favorite, clams, both legs together, bend it at the knees, and now open the knee and lower down. Keep your feet together. Try not to rotate your hips too much, hips staying square. Lift the bottom of your legs for elevated clams. Open and close, open and close. It's the same exercise. We are just lifted the bottom of the legs. But feet stay together when we open the knee and close. And now we are adding a kick to the elevated climb. So it's open, extend, bend, down. Open, extend, bend, down. And the final move from this series, keeping the legs in this position and sliding the top leg. Just slide, extend. Sliding into extension. Slide. Like an arrow. Point and slide. Point away. Slide your leg away. And rest. Now you can stretch your outer thigh for a bit. Hug your knee, add a little twist. Enjoy the stretch in your outer thighs and your glutes. And now we're gonna repeat the exact same routine for the other side, the other leg. Starting with passe. Straight legs, point your toes. Lift, bend, press. Lift, bend, press. Lift, bend, press. Lift, bend, press. And now reverse, bend, extend, push down, bend, extend, push down, bend, extend, push down, bend, extend, push down. Keep going. Awesome. Keep going. And now elevated arms. No, not elevated. Passe clams, sorry. Keeping the feet just over the other knee, sorry, and lowering the knee down and lift. Awesome. Clamps both legs together. Open the knee and close. Keep your feet together. elevated clamps. Lift the bottom of the legs. Same exercise, just in this position. And now adding the extension, adding the kick. Open, kick, close, down. Open, kick, close, down. Open, kick, close, down. And now adding the last one. So slide into extension, slide away for 20. We are almost there, just a few more reps. My outer thighs are burning, on fire, and that was it. 20 reps. Stretch. And thank you so much for joining me in day 4 of our 30-day yoga and Pilates challenge. I'm gonna see you tomorrow for day 5. Tomorrow we're doing detox yoga flow. Enjoy your day. Be good, feel good, stay active. I'm gonna see you tomorrow.